This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Prius hybrid car. First, let's cover the basics of getting started. The Prius seamlessly switches between its petrol engine and electric motor. You'll notice different drive modes like Eco, Power, and EV, each designed for specific driving conditions. Understanding these modes is key to a smooth and efficient journey. We'll also look at how the car's regenerative braking helps recharge the battery as you slow down, a clever feature for saving fuel. To truly maximize your Prius's efficiency, adopt a smooth driving style. Gentle acceleration prevents unnecessary fuel consumption, allowing the electric motor to do more work. When approaching traffic lights or slowing down, anticipate your stops. This lets the regenerative braking system recover more energy, sending it back to the battery. On motorways, maintaining a consistent speed, ideally around 60 to 70 miles per hour, will yield the best fuel economy for longer journeys. The Prius's EV mode allows for purely electric driving over short distances, typically up to 1 or 2 miles, and at speeds below 30 miles per hour. It's perfect for quiet residential areas or crawling in traffic. Remember, the car intelligently manages its power sources, switching between electric and petrol seamlessly. You don't need to plug in your Prius. The hybrid battery recharges itself through the petrol engine and, importantly, through regenerative braking whenever you decelerate or brake. When driving your Prius in the United Kingdom, always remember to drive on the left side of the road and overtake on the right. For optimal performance and longevity of your hybrid system, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months. Also, make it a habit to check your tire pressures monthly. Correctly inflated tires, usually around 32 psi, are crucial for both safety and achieving the best possible fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.